How to change language in Headball 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the language setting in Headball 2 game. First of all, open the Headball 2 game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once you're inside this home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the arrow button facing downwards and click on the gear button. Now select language from the settings menu. Choose the different language you want to change to from the list of available languages. After you select one, this will restart the game in your chosen language. Now your game should be in your selected language, making it much easier to enjoy and navigate. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.